Deep Hypnotic Relaxation. You're about to experience a very simple process of self-hypnosis designed to help you relax very deeply indeed. People get out of hypnotic relaxation what they put into it. So think of this as a personal opportunity to show yourself how deeply you can relax. This exercise may work better on some days than others. Just keep practicing and enjoy the experience. It doesn't matter whether you are seated or lying down. Take a moment to make yourself comfortable. Have your feet firmly on the ground if seated, or side by side if lying down. Place your hands on your lap or by your sides. Become aware of the sensations in your body and make sure you are completely at ease. Let's begin by taking 3 deep breaths. Breathe in through your nose. Hold. Breathe out slowly through your mouth. In through your nose. Hold. Out slowly through your mouth. In through your nose. Hold. Out slowly through your mouth. Let go and let your body relax. Just breathe normally. Turn your eyes gently upwards without moving your head and look up to a point on your forehead or the ceiling above you. Keep staring at that point and imagine your eyelids getting heavier and heavier, making them want to close and relax. Now in a moment, I'm going to begin counting back from 5 to 0. As I count along with me under your breath. Imagine with each number we count that your eyelids feel more heavy, tired and sleepy. Let them close as soon as they want to close. Beginning now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Let your eyelids close all the way down and relax completely. Sleep now. Relax your eyes completely. Relax your face completely. Relax your body completely. Relax your mind completely. Sleep now. Just send a wave of relaxation from the top of your head right down to your toes and relax. Now focus your attention on your feet and toes. There's an energy moving into the soles of your feet, and that energy is relaxing all the muscles in your feet and toes. Feel the muscles relax now. That energy is moving up into your calves, and as it moves, both of your calf muscles become quite loose and relaxed. Feel your calf muscles relax now. The energy is moving now into your thigh muscles, causing them to simply let go and become loose. Let your thigh muscles just hang down off the bone. Now that relaxing energy is moving into your hips and groin, and the muscles there also unwind and become loose and relaxed. Now that energy flows into your buttocks, and those muscles also relax. Feel the energy moving now, and it's moving into your abdominal muscles, waist and small of your back. As it does, all the muscles there are bathed in relaxing energy, which causes them to unwind like a rubber band letting go. If your mind is beginning to wander now, then that's okay. It just means you're relaxing and feeling very languid. Your mind is listening very carefully to every word I say. And with each word that I utter, and with each breath that you take, you can feel yourself relaxing more and more. Now that energy is flowing up into your chest and upper back, causing the muscles there to relax and just hang loose. The energy is moving into your shoulders, and as the muscles relax, you can feel your shoulders sink down. Now the energy moves into your arms, hands and fingers, relaxing all those muscles. You might even feel some tingling in your fingertips as the energy reaches them. That relaxing energy is now moving into your neck, and if you're holding any tension there, it simply dissipates, allowing the neck muscles to become loose and free. The energy is now moving into your head, causing the muscles on your scalp and around your ears to unwind. And it may even feel like your scalp is sliding down. Now the energy is flowing around your face, and as it moves, all the tiny muscles around your eyes, your nose, and your mouth let go. Your jaw relaxes as you allow a little space between the teeth. Even the tongue begins to relax. Your entire body is now totally relaxed, and your body feels like as limp as a rag doll. You're feeling drowsy and comfortable, and safe and secure. That energy is still in you and is now flowing down through the top of your head and is moving towards your feet. As it reaches your feet, your entire body is now enveloped in a warm cocoon of energy that protects you from any negative influences. You are very relaxed now and feeling sleepy. You may hear sounds in your environment, but unless there's something that needs your immediate attention, you remain totally relaxed. So continue to fully relax. Let go and be at ease. You are drifting deeper and deeper asleep with every breath you exhale. Sleep deeper. Sleep deeper. Now relax and rest into that feeling of personal well-being. Allow your mind to become quiet and restful. Do less. Do less. Do nothing. And rest. Now lots of beneficial things begin to happen to you, both deep within you and outside in your life. In a moment, I'll begin a very simple, powerful affirmation. I want you to just say it with me under your breath. Every day, I now feel more peace, strength, and confidence. Every day, I now feel more peace, strength, and confidence. Every day, I now feel more peace, strength, and confidence. Every day, I now feel more peace, strength, and confidence. In a moment, I'm going to begin counting from 1 all the way up to 5. As I count, you're beginning to feel more alive, more aware, and more alert. When I reach number 5, open your eyes and you will feel wonderfully good, peaceful, and relaxed. Beginning now. 1. Become more aware of your body. 2. Be aware of the room around you. 3. Just start to listen to sounds around you. 4. Get ready to open your eyes, and on 5, opening your eyes now, looking forward once again. Have a really good stretch. Very good. You did well.